Light inside of me, guiding me. Finally, I can see you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I want to get into another Valentine's Day look for you guys because I just want you to have options. Plus, I got a couple of goodies from Ulta, but this is not going to be the Ulta haul. I got the new Fenty, can you even see? There we go. I got the new Fenty Valentine's Day collection. I got the Woulda Be highlighter. I got the Woulda Be lip gloss and the Woulda Brat lip gloss. I'm so excited to try these babies on for you guys. Definitely gonna do a look where I can try both of them on. And you guys know already, well, you guys don't, you on YouTube don't know, but I already have the Woulda Brat highlighter. I finally found it. If you know me, you know I've been complaining. I've been complaining about this highlighter for so long. Can you even see? Yeah, I've been complaining about this highlighter that I've been missing it for so long. Didn't know where I put it. But we got those goodies to play with today. I'm super excited. So yeah, let's get into this makeup look. All right, I'm starting again with the La Roche-Posay moisturizer. I've been loving this. Nothing's wrong with it. Nothing is wrong with it. My skin has not been breaking out. I've been looking moisturized, so I'm going to keep going on with this one. I think my lighting is too close to my camera, so it's literally washing out all of the products. But this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to use my Danessa Myricks Moisture Repair. Foundation today, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Longwear. In the shades Macau and New Caledonia, I'm just going to mix those together. Concealer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Blur Concealer in the shade 10. This is my curve case in Deep, yeah, curve case in Deep. I'm going to brighten up my under eye just a little bit. I'm going to use my Golden Beige from Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Pink Lady. My Juvia's Place Pink Lady for my blush, my liquid blush. before. This is MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. And I'm going to set my eyes with this, my under eyes with this. Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Ebony. NARS Laguna Bronzer in the shade 06. I'm going to use both Huda Beauty powders, the Ube Birthday Cake and the Banana Bread, because I just love how that looks with pink looks. My Juvia's Place. I know y'all tired of me using it, but it's not the only pink blush I have, but it's the only pink blush that I actually like. So I'm gonna use this color right here. Lashes I'm using is from the TikTok shop. They're in my storefront, so if you just go to Jessica's Artistry on TikTok and check on my showcase, then you'll see these lashes. Into this lip combo. I got the new Fenty glosses, What a Brat and What a Bee. I don't even know what to do. I just tried both on. This one, What a Bee, is crazy, but I think I want to do What a Brat for a lip combo today because I want to do like a baby pink lip. So let's do Malt from ABH first. Forgot to lighten the camera back, so we're doing Malt first. We're gonna do the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW as a base. And then I'm gonna do the new Fenty gloss and What a Brat. So freaking pretty. It's a nice calm glitter, this one. The other one is actually crazier, but I wanted a calm lip right now. I should add a little more pink on my lips, so hold on. I'm gonna do a little pink peppermint from MAC just to give it a little bit more pink. Yeah. And now I'm gonna take Amethyst from ABH. Absolutely beautiful. I am in love with this lip. So that is the end of this look. I think this look came out so pretty. This is nice for a Valentine's Day party, or if you want to just go out to eat on your own or with your boo, whatever it is. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, and also follow me on TikTok if you want to see short form content and not this long drawn out video.